Sir, I just finished my engineering, and I've been listening to what you're saying right now. Ki you promote copycat businesses. So my point of view is different. So
No, I don't
what I
promote.
believe.
I support.
Okay. Sorry, sir. You support. I completely understand like why you do that also, but what I feel is what I do is ki I try to solve problems, sir. So I come from computer science background, and I see like inefficient ways or certain things, and then I try to fix it. Before I used to like develop the apps and then later design, but now I'm trying to like design it first. No, like conceptual, like develop the concept and then design it on Figma, and then look for developers who would be working on it for a stake, because I have no money, just I got out of college. So I came to know about you because I heard like in 2020 you were helping apps which were like Chinese apps first. Like you were trying to replace all those Chinese apps in India. But the idea I have right now is like there's no competition right now. It's like it's a movie ratings and review app, sir. And what's happening right now is uh, all these people who market movies and TV shows, whatever that comes on Amazon or Hotstar, they try to market it on social media. And what's happening right now is they are trying to scam us, sir. It's a really big problem. uh, first what users used to do is they put the post, like all they buy the meme pages, they put like they ask them to promote it. But when we go to the comment section, okay, we can find out ki, okay, like people are not actually liking it. And then we used to like, okay, like validate it ki, okay, this movie is not good because people are commenting ki it's not good. But now what's happening is there are a lot of bots on social media. So people are actually building bots to comment the key, okay, the movie is very good, you have to watch it. So that's a problem I'm trying to solve. Like I'm very focused on design. I believe in like simplifying complicated things. And right now the segment of movie rating and reviewing is, it's very complicated. So if you open any site or IMDb, like you will, it's very complicated. Like you'll have to scroll through 10 different things to get to the actual reviews. So the idea is what I'm trying to solve. So it's like very simple. I don't understand like why
I will
why
tell you.
the
I will tell
yes,
you.
sir.
I'll give you the answer. Okay. See, what happens is, before we start, I'll tell you an example. A
Okay,
real.
sir.
I will not name that startup, but it is near to my heart, and I always feel bad about it when I talk about it. One startup came to me. They created a vaccine in pandemic. I'm talking about. One
Okay.
vaccine was enough for 5 diseases, including COVID. Okay. They created, and they were having good background. Again, I don't want to reveal their identity. They were having very good background. And we tried raising funds for them. Tests were fine, everything was fine, they were capable of doing it, but nobody was ready to invest. You know why? A lot of big investors said people are, not even trusting companies like Moderna, AstraZeneca. Initial days I'm talking about. How will they trust a not so known brand? You can't take somebody's, vaccine inside your blood when you don't trust them. So it will
Yes.
require around 500 to 1000 crore just to build a brand. Getting my point?
Yes.
Similarly, again, I'll tell you one more example. I'm not naming that company. They started very honest review, very honest, actual reviews, and very soon they were facing life threats. They had a legal battle, and the company is now almost adjusted. No, they have deleted all the honest reviews. Now they have adjusted. They are doing what people pay for. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So what happens is, power automatically controls the good people also. In case you build something very good, if you try to fight with the entire movie industry or you try to fight with pharma industry, you know what is going to happen, end result, right? They
Yes, sir.
they know what to do, and you know what is going to happen. You being a student, you are very innocent, you have not seen those things in life, but I am, in a phase where I've seen, and I have advised so many companies. I have seen a lot of practicalities. I'm not trying to make you uh, fear or afraid of anything. What I'm trying to tell you is, either you are so powerful that you can fight with everyone, right? Or you try not to get into those things which are going to give you hard time, because ultimately as a startup founder, you need to generate value, you need to solve problems, but those problems, people should be happy, and you should be having success. That is most important. So when you solve problems which are unknown, which does not have market, then automatically it becomes a bad proposition, because people will not be supporting. You have to spend a lot of money in building the brand. So what actually is the solution is, build those solutions which are there in the market, and I'll tell you, solve the problems which are already solved, because those products become so successful. Google was not the first search engine, let me tell you, right? Netflix was not first of its own kind. Blockbuster was there before Netflix. And you name any organization, not even Facebook, right? MySpace was there before Facebook. You talk about any product, and I can tell you which was before that. Actually, first movers don't get this advantage, right? Gone are the days when Alexander Graham Bell invents or Thomas Edison invents and still we are using it. Now the market is different. You're getting my point? Even Thomas
Yes.
Edison was nobody invested into Thomas Edison, but he invested whatever he had. He invested that amount, right? It's very, very difficult because investors have commercial objective, right? You need to make something which is there in the market and just disrupt it. You need to show them that, okay, I will reduce the price, and accordingly, this is what I call innovation. There are so many definitions. Product improvisation is not innovation for me. For me, reducing the price is the innovation, right? You can improvise a product. You give a 1,000 feature smartphone to an old guy who does not know how to use it. No benefit. You getting my point? But
Yes.
you make their life easier. You make their touch easier. There is a problem to be solved in this touch phone also. Like there are some people who have very heavy fingers or wide broad fingers. They are not able to type on the keyboard, right? Nobody is solving that problem. If anybody solves that problem, is far better, because again, there is a market for it. So you need to understand, whatever you build, there should be a big market, and better if you have existing products there, right? Don't try
Yes,
to
sir.
play in features, try to play in price or convenience. For a pure digital product where everything is free, you can only play in convenience. You can't even play in price, right? What can you make
Yes.
better than YouTube? YouTube is free, right? So only
Yes, sir.
thing is, you can play in convenience, but very difficult. If anything comes in competition with YouTube, any efficient company, you are trying to fight them in efficiency. Very, very difficult. You try to fight the vision of a visionary. Very, very difficult, but not impossible. Still, what I would recommend is to compete in an area where you have high chances of success, is instead of competing in an area where you yourself know that you are getting my point. Getting into a race,
Yes, sir. I'm getting your point.
competing
And
against people who are students who always get 99% will make the competition difficult. In a way, it is making you better person, but you might not make hell lot of money there. You getting my point? So if you want to make good amount of money, then you need to find out what is there in the market, who's the leader, and try to reduce the price of the product so that their customer comes to you.
okay.
Demand is just like soul. It is like energy. You can't create demand. You can only displace demand. Getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes.
If demand does not exist for a product, don't go for it.
But sir, it's a problem, sir. It's a problem. Like if I had fat fingers.
If you are, see, This is what I would recommend.
Okay.
Build something which is not then centralized. Nobody should know who has, like, Bitcoin was built by Satoshi Nakamoto. Nobody knows who's Satoshi
Yes, sir.
Nakamoto. Getting my point?
Yes.
Because
Yes, sir.
he was knowing that governments will trap him and put him behind bars. Right?
Yes.
You can't
Yes, sir.
fight with the established system. So build something wherein they should not know about you. Getting my point?
Okay,
When
sir.
you
Yeah, that is a good. That
a scam, I'm fighting a scam. Do you think they will spare you? They will not.
they will. Yes, sir. They will not. But I would be helping like 100 other people who are
Yes,
just
if you
facing
want to
the same
help,
problem.
definitely help, but keep yourself anonymous.
Yeah,
And
sir.
and have your stakes there. Like, the person who created Bitcoin had lot of stakes. Now he's, and news are coming that we have identified who's actual Satoshi Nakamoto. So
Yes, sir.
when you do something, that I'm trying to fight scam, make money, don't get killed.
Yes, sir. Sir, another thing, sir. Like, where do I find developers, sir? I've tried looking for them on LinkedIn, and then I joined the Startup Lanes WhatsApp group. And like, where other should I, like? Would they be interested to join something like this?
Yeah. So what do you need? You need developers to join you.
Yes, sir.
You have a white paper.
Not white paper, sir, but I have like this designs, like all the screens. Like, if you touch this screen, you go to the next page, something
The
like that.
first step is to have a white paper, float that white paper. Okay.
Okay.
Interested people will join. So before you go for product development, white paper is the first stage.
Okay,
You need
sir.
to build that white paper, write down that white paper, and whatever you are doing in technology, in case you need, like, this is how big things like Linux happened, right? And
Okay, sir.
everything open source happened the same way. So get into open source, build a white paper, find out for like-minded people who will be with you, and
Okay, sir.
maybe utilize the blockchain. And then nobody knows the source who has done. Anonymous reviews will be the right thing. You getting my point?
Yes,
Still
sir.
finding out who has done it so that nobody puts in the fake reviews, right? So
Yes, sir.
I'm sure you can utilize this technology, and you're a smart guy. You can make
Yes,
this
sir.
system. Once this becomes successful, then
Yes.
your cryptos will make a lot of money. And I'll be happy to help. I'm a tech guy. I have
Okay.
spent more than 21 years in coding, and I have been mining and doing things in crypto.
Okay.
I'll be happy to help.
Okay, sir. Thank you a lot, sir.
Pleasure.